In this video, I will show you how to add and generate images in your Gamma AI presentation. Let's get started. I begin by selecting my Video AI tool project from the Workspace dashboard to open the editor. Once it's loaded, I navigate to slide 7 where I want to add some new visuals. On the right-hand toolbar, I click the Images icon to view all my options. I'll start by looking at the Image Upload or URL feature, which is great for adding my own local files or external links. Next is the web image search. I type CapCut into the search bar to find a relevant graphic and then simply drag and drop the best result directly onto my slide. Next, I want to use the AI power of Gamma, so I click on the AI Images tool. I enter a simple prompt about CapCut and then click Enhance Prompt to transform it into a more professional, detailed description. I adjust my generation settings and then hit the Generate button. I select the AI-generated image that best matches my theme and place it right next to my web image. Finally, I can also browse the stock photo library for high-quality photography by searching for specific keywords to find the perfect professional assets. And there you have it. That's the complete process of adding images to a Gamma AI presentation. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.